Today I'm going to show us how to make the hexagon bag shape. So the measurement I'll be using here is 6 inches. You can see the way I'm measuring it. So when you mark up and down, you cross the line. So this is the front, 6 inches. The next you measure is the back, the same 6 inches. So if you notice, I omit the base or the bottom. It's intentional. So the next is the top. I will be using 2 inches. So you also connect the lines. And then lastly, the flap, I'll be using 4 inches. The wideness of this bag is going to be 8 inches, or is it the breadth, whichever way you want to call it, 8 inches. So because my ruler is short, so that's why I'm just marking little by little. So if you have the long ruler, you can actually just mark the beginning and the end, and then you just connect it at once. So this is it. So now I'm going to cut out the actual pattern and then remove the excess. Please take note, whenever you are cutting, you cut on that line so that you don't have more than what you expected. So this is it. Now I'm going to get the middle point, which is 4 inches. So as for this bag, the middle is very, very important from the beginning to the end. So this is it. Now I'm going to separate the front from the others. So I've done that. Now I'm going to shape the front. So half and quarter, or you call it 3/4. So you're going to do that on all the 4 sides. Then you're going to get the middle point of that 6, which is 3 inches. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you join them using your ruler. So this is it. Next, I'm going to cut out the excess. So this is how it's going to look like, and then I'm going to duplicate it on the back so that the front and the back can be the same. So this is it. I'll do the same on the flap also. Make sure you place it using the center mark. So as for the flap, you can actually do any design of yours. Then the top, you can see it now, so just connect it and then you cut out the excess. So once you have done this, you are going to cut another one. Remember, this is gun work, not sewing, so you need another one for your leather and your material. Sorry, for your lining and your material. So you can see how I break the, or I bend the top. So this is how the shape of the bag will look like. You can actually change the flap to whatever you want. Now let's go to the side gusset and the base. So you measure looking at where I pointed my hand. Look at where I'm starting from and look at the way I position my tip. So you measure not all round. Look at where I'm going to stop actually. So this is giving me 18 3/4. So it's the same thing. You now measure 18 3/4 by 3.5 as the wideness, 3.5. Then you can go ahead to shape it if you want. So get the center and then place it. I'm just demonstrating the sample. So this is how you are going to fix it after you must have wrapped your lining and then other things. So I hope this helps